What's up, guys? Mike and Pattern here. Quick update. I'm not going to take too long with the video because I already spoke about my thoughts yesterday. So where BTC is currently at right now, I already put in the work for you guys, so we don't kill the video. We have so how do I even explain this to you guys? Okay, so we have a where do I even start? Okay, basically you deviated your low on the Monday low, right? Deviated the Monday low, came back, made a higher high. Higher low, went up, made a higher high on the structure. Okay, this is your higher high, this is your higher low of the microstructure. Now what did I do? So basically, you know what, I gotta do it all over for you guys. Remind me never to do that ever again. I gotta enjoy it at the same time. So basically what we did was, this is your higher high, take your fib level from your higher high, take it to your high, the higher high that you made. What am I saying? This is your higher low, this is your higher high. Right here, higher low, higher high. Fib level from here to here. You get the golden zone. Obviously, we all went long here. Now, where's our target? Well, our target is Monday high regardless of what happens, right? Only because of the mere fact that we did put in a higher low. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So, trend line. We have two trend lines, two important trend lines. Black, and then my 1 hour that I've been playing with since yesterday. Let's make this red. So until this red trend line breaks, right? We're still bullish. If the red trend line breaks, you target the black one. We're still bullish. You break the black one, you're going down, you gotta sweep these lows. Very simple concept. So now delete all the trend lines, okay? Adios. Now, where are we? So we did hit the golden zone. Usually what happens when you do happen to hit the golden zone afterwards, you put in a higher low. We didn't put in a higher low. So, but let's see what happened over here. Go to your 1 hour, guys. So what does this look like to you guys, right? So we made a high, swept it, and then died. So now this becomes a very important zone. This is your low. We swept the low. We deviated it, but we deviated it on the golden pocket. It's very bullish, very, very, very bullish, right? So now this low becomes important. So if we are bearish, we're going to come back down here, sweep this, sweep this, sweep this, bounce off here, and go back up. Excuse me. But what happens if we're extremely bearish? It's the weekend, low volume, no liquidity, and they're trying to fuck everybody. Well, this is a beautiful scenario that I have painted in my head. This is exactly how I'm playing the lower time frame. Put a trend line, 15 minute. Okay? That's your lower time frame trend line. Now, until you break this trend line over here, and until you lose your VWAP, right here, this VWAP, you're bullish. Don't talk to me about being bearish, right? You're bullish. Keep it. Now, if you happen to lose this trend line and you go down, you want to target at least bare minimum the golden zone. Where's the golden zone? Golden zone is 57.5, 57.6. The golden zone of the low to the high. So now this should offer us some support to go back up. Now if you lose this, then it's pretty obvious you're going to go sweep the lows down here. Horizontal line. Target the lows. Make this thick. Right there. So now if this doesn't work out and you are bearish and we are going to go relatively lower, you want to assume that if we do happen to come down here, all the way down here to sweep this, you're going to deviate, sweep it, deviate, under, reclaim it, long, up. How would that work? Something like this. Target Monday high. Right there, Monday high. Why am I targeting Monday high? Well, guys, we need to go sweep these highs. We have to go sweep that. You know? Now, I need confluence. Where's my confluence? Okay, I told you guys what to do with the 15-minute TMA bands. I always play the 15-minute TMA bands. Always, 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 always. So, 15-minute TMA band. Buy, sell. Okay, 15-minute TMA band, buy, sell. I like doing USDT way better. So 15-minute TMA band, buy, sell. Let's do it this way. We are between 58,200 and 57,600. Now, how do we know that this bottomed out over here? Right? How did I know that this bottomed out over here, guys? And I went long. All right, I don't know what that is, but so. Low, signal, low, signal, trend. Trend line turned black. I told you guys, when the trend line turns black, you bottom. Trend line turned black, you bottom. Right? Trend line turned black, good chance you topped. Right? So that's how you play your 15-minute TMA band. So once you bottom on your 15-minute TMA band, which is over here, you could easily just play the 15-minute TMA bounces. So if this thing breaks down, it's gonna come back up here, bounce, like this, and just ride the TMA band. If we do happen to lose the 15-minute TMA band, go to your 30-minute TMA band. You see how we have yet to touch the 30-minute TMA band? Bottom, and just keep doing that, right? 1 hour. 1 hour hasn't even been tapped yet. Ever since we put in the low down here, came back, we tested it, we have yet to test it. So where is the 1 hour right now? $57,000 to $55,000. So I am confident enough to assume that whatever dump we get, if we get a dump, I'm going to buy the whole dump. Obviously, I'm not going to spread bids in $2,000 range. It's crazy. But I'm going to wait for my confluence. How do I wait for my confluence? Look at your 15-minute time frame. And then once your 15-minute time frame bottoms out, basically black trend bar or a black signal band over here, you bottomed. It's such an easy concept. You can't overcomplicate this. Oh, EMA this. Oh, MA that. Fucking fib this, fib that. Dude, if you have the indicators, hear me out, because this isn't rocket science. You can be right, and you can make it easy. It's a very simple concept. You can draw all the cute lines, all the fib levels you want, but if you have these indicators, when you see reject or exhaustion, reset, and you are on support, basically a green TMA band on support, you bottom, dude. You bottom. Don't be scared to punt along. Throw a fib level on there too to give you some confluence if you want. And then look, you know that if you do happen to come down here, matches with your 30-minute, it's going to be a safe long. Matches with your 1 hour. Oh, it doesn't even match with your 1 hour. So that means that you could easily go down here. But more likely than not, your 30-minute will grab you, right? Assume that this is going to be some kind of like, right here. So it ends up being a 1, 2. This was supposed to be the third, but it never came. But if it does happen to come, a 3. Something like this, and then go up, right? As long as we stay above the 15 and 30-minute TMA band, we should be fine, okay? So that's the way I'm playing the TMA bands. Don't complicate it. Look for over-unders. Look for exhaustion on black signal line or dark green on the gray line, or black on the trend line, which is the blue line down here. Based on price action, I already told you guys. Get rid of this. Get rid of all this. I'm bullish. I told you guys, based on price action, I am bullish. Immediate move is this right here. This is your immediate move. If we flip down, you long this, because this, sweep this low, get back above, and then target Monday high. This is your immediate move, okay? Higher time frame perspective, anyone that is bearish and that can't see that there's a massive 12-hour trend line here is just, I don't know what to say. Look, explain to me why you're bearish with these two trend lines and the 12-hour trend lines. What's bearish about this? But let me explain to you something else. So, even though this looks very bullish, right? This indicator that we're working with, you see how we keep making higher highs with the price and lower highs with the oscillator? That means that a massive down move is coming. First, I would like to see 70,000s, right? And then hopefully this is the last hurrah, and then we go down 70, 75,000, you know. But this oscillator helps you get an idea of where BTC could potentially go. And the idea is that we haven't made a higher high yet on the oscillators has me convinced that this next move up is the final move. So let's assume that if we do happen to go up, we're going to touch this around $75,000, and then we're going to come back and die. After that, probably like a 40% correction. So if we do a simple a 1-to-1 extension is 72.3. If we do a log, it's $86,000. Yeah, $72,000 is a 1-to-1 extension. Let me see if we have confluence with April. So we're gonna have a green. Excuse me, guys. We're gonna have a green April. Green April. Awesome. So maybe something on the lines of this, and then come down. Regardless of where we top out, it's going to be like at least a 40% dump. 35 to 40% dump. Back down to 49,000. I can't see us going down here, I'll tell you that much. We already struck these lows. We struck that, so probably somewhere down here. $51,000, yeah, probably the $51,000 range. Yeah, dude, it might be it. We might be coming back down to that 51K, width down to like maybe 49 or whatnot, but that'll probably be as low as we go, ever. I don't know. We'll see what happens when we top out. I don't want to talk in absolutes unless I see that we topped out. All right, let me talk to you about some altcoins that I'm in. Ooh, this is so beautiful. I'm so heavy in OXT. I've been shilling OXT since 19 cents, guys. I wish you guys all got in because we're almost at $1. Oh, beautiful. Hold on. I got a text. Do you guys have the game plan for BTC, right, guys? But sir, I am bearish. I am shorting because I hate money. Congrats, bro. Keep shorting, dude. And it's not me being cocky. I'm just trying to open your eyes, man. Like, what the fuck are you shorting for, man? Everything just points to up, regardless. It's just going up. Up. Brainwash yourself. Just keep buying the dip because we're going to go up. We're going to hit 70,000. I say this every day to all the members, to the videos, everybody. Just long until we're wrong. You're going to get it wrong only one time. And that one time you might lose like 5%, but you've made significant money by longing everything. So if you're trying to short this, you literally missed out on the whole move up. And the whole move up over here. So what, does it pay to long or does it pay to short, right? Alright guys, XRP. Beautiful long. I'm sitting in a beautiful long since January. It's been a while since I got excited over this shitcoin over here. Oscillators. Let's see. Any high time frame oscillators? Ooh. Okay, 12 hour. Most important one. Once we cross, see the red line? Red line is still basically trying to find its path. If if the black line is pointing north and the red line is about to cross the midpoint, we are going to be officially bullish up to the 12 hour. Okay? Means that massive move is coming, and I'm pretty sure the daily is probably going to be in sync with this. Daily is about to cross. Ooh, I'm telling you guys, XRP is going to make a massive move. But we need to get out of the bands. Let me see. 4 hours out of the bands. You see how we were not out of the bands here. We tried to get out of the bands here, then we got slapped. What was the last time we got out of the bands? Down here. Right here. Look what happened. What do we do at that point? Let's see. Let's see, my lovely friends. We'll probably get a massive move up, dude. Woo! 200%. So what's my target? $1.30, $1.50 with ease. Why do I say that? Fibonacci levels. Look at this. Look how beautiful this is, guys. Oh, I'm so excited. Can't wait. This is where people make generational wealth, sirs. $1.25. $1.12. So between $1.30 and $1.50 is my extensions, and then my fibs are between $1.15 and $1.30, give or take 25. Yeah, $1.30 to $1.50. So guys, expect XRP to be in the dollar range within the next maybe 2-3 weeks. All right, and guess who is loaded with XRPs? Me, sirs. Hope you guys got a bag. Ethereum. Obviously, Ethereum looks like shit as always. I don't know what kind of Batman the pattern this is. I don't know what this is, but this does not look good. It's disgusting. But if BTC could push this thing up, so much room. It's mid-ranger. Look how high we are. Look how far away we are from the red. Look how far away we are from the green. Just mid-ranger. So it can go in any direction. Doesn't have to go up. Doesn't have to go down. It could just literally just stay like this and drive us all crazy. But if you want to get an actual setup, hold on. Let me see. So we're above weekly open, guys. We're above weekly open. No, we're not. Yeah, we are. Yeah, we are. Yeah, this order block's giving us a hard time, man. Still, the same order block's giving us a hard time. Unless we get above this, guys, tough. Either way, it's the same thing with BTC, right? We need to go to Monday high. Monday high currently is at 1891, and the reason why we need to go to Monday high is because we have these ugly highs that need to get taken. So ideally, even if this thing rolls over, I will buy no matter what happens, and I will target Monday high. I am long biased. I will buy every dip when it comes, if it comes, and I will target Monday high across the whole board for BTC and for Ethereum. So now that's my golden zone, 1780s. Let's see, do we have any confidence with TMA bands? I need to go to the lowers. I need my 15 minute. Where's my 15 minute? 15 minute is currently at 18. Ooh, it's kind of high. 30 minute. Okay, 30 minute is in the golden zone. See how the 30 minute TMA band is in the golden zone? That's good. That means that we still have a good probability of going to the golden zone. Okay, cool. So now if we do happen to roll over with Ethereum, let's close all this because it's too much. Delete all this. If we do happen to roll over with Ethereum, then you want to target hold on, guys. Let's see. So if that's the flip, hold on. It doesn't make any sense to me. So this is the flip. That's how choppy it is, that these candles don't even give you a good, yeah, that's the flip. Okay, that's the flip. Yeah, so if we do happen to come down here and we reject, we're talking about somewhere down here. This is your deviation. Basically come down, make your high or low, and then you want to assume that matches up with your golden zone. Yeah, somewhere down here. Daily, let me see where the VWAP is. Hold on. VWAP, VWAP, VWAP. Ooh, look how precise this tapped and ran. Oh, the VWAP, look how precise this got knocked down. Let me see where the weekly is. Hold on, guys. The weekly might help us. Weekly is over here. Previous weekly. We're above all the VWAPs. Let me delete this over there real quick. So the monthly has been holding us up. See that, right? Monthly VWAP. ETH loves the weekly and ETH loves the monthly. I don't know for what reason, but ETH respects the VWAPs way better than BTC does. Keep that in mind when you're scalping ETH. It's a lot easier. So we have a cluster of VWAPs down here. I can't see us just like knocking them down and just dying. They're gonna offer some kind of support, you know. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see how the VWAPs will perform. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. EMAs, I don't like him. I think EMAs are pretty corny, but a lot of people use them. Look how beautiful this monthly VWAP held us up. They're holding us up the whole time. Look, held us up, rejected us, held us up, held us up. If we happen to die and come back down here, I am so targeting $1,100. We do have an empty VWAP down here that has not been tapped yet. If we happen to come down to the $1,500 range, but otherwise, I'm bullish on Ethereum as well, even though it looks like shit right here. And then, you know, if this happens to break. Pretty much, that's what you're playing with. This is the trend line. You lose this. That's why we're writing. This is why we're writing the trend line up. If you lose this trend line over here, then you're in trouble, right? You're in trouble at that point. You're in trouble. So ETH looks like shit, but it's technically still fine. It's respecting the trend lines. We are. Ooh, let me see 12 hour. Yeah, you see ETH already curled in the 12 hour. We crossed. We're above. I mean, everything looks bullish, man. Like, you know. Yeah, everything looks bullish. It looks good. 4 hour. We're above both lines right now. We bounced. Yeah, we kind of curled down here. But we could. Ooh. Shit, we have a 1 hour over under. Hold on, let me see this. I didn't notice this, guys. That's a 1 hour over. That's a clean 1 hour over under. Very clean 1 hour over under. Very, very, very clean 1 hour over under. RSX 1 hour cross down. It's not the most ideal thing you want to see, guys. You know. All right. I'm gonna have to keep an eye on Ethereum until at least the 30-minute bottoms out. Hold on a second, guys. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, so be careful on Ethereum, guys. I just saw that there's a 1 hour over under. That's not the most bullish thing you could see. Usually these things offer a decent dump, man. They offer a decent retracement. TMA bands will probably be the best thing for us to see right now. Targeting your mid TMA band at 1820. We lose that, then you want to start targeting down here, unfortunately, in the $1,700 range. Just be a little careful. Usually we get a little bit of a sell-off within 3 hours, around 4 o'clock Eastern time. Be careful if it comes again. Litecoin is just going to do whatever BTC does. It's a shit coin. If BTC goes up, Litecoin will eventually go up. It's a lagging shit coin. That's pretty much it, guys. I don't want to make the video too long. BTC looks, disastrous. BTC looks fine, you know, for the most part. I have a long bias until $75,000. So John has officially finished developing the website. Those of you who are not members yet, and just go on the website, sign up, make an account. Don't buy anything. Make an account so at least when we do happen to release special incentives and features and whatnot, videos or challenges, you guys get notifications. You guys can be a part of it, especially those who are not in the Discord. At least you'll be notified when certain stuff takes place. We are planning on launching the $1 million challenge through the website, because we're going to try to get it off the Discord for communication purposes. So it will make a lot more sense for everybody to just go make an account on the website. And yeah. Otherwise, enjoy your weekend, guys. Good luck in trades. Be safe. I'll make another video sometime Monday. I'm not going to make one tomorrow unless I see some kind of movement. It's the weekend. Overall, I'm expecting up Monday high to get hit. If we do happen to crash down, focus on this setup that I did for you guys. I will post it on Discord and I will post it on Twitter. You want to, not this setup. This is the bearish setup. this is the bearish setup. The bullish setup is this is the bullish setup, guys. Come down here, retest this, sweep these lows, all of them, and then go back up. Okay, that's the bullish setup. Otherwise, the bearish setup will be this, or rather, let's make it a little bit more. There we go. That to sweep that low right there. So the one like that. Cool. All right, guys. Anyway, target is Monday high, no matter what happens. Cheers. Enjoy your weekend. Thank you for stopping by, lads.